Welcome back, folks. Check it out. We got a one owner, absolutely perfect, rust-free 2010 Dodge Ram SLT quad, Hemi-powered, 5.6 box, trailer tow. She's a right one, folks. There's not a speck of dirt inside this cab. The rockers are perfect. She's sitting on a brand new set of shoes, loaded up, and the right one. Check out how nice this truck is, folks. Hard to believe you can actually drive a truck this many years, put 100 and some thousand miles on it, and it's this clean and nice. That's the one I want. Come on down, DasCleveland.com, take a look, take her for a ride, see what you think. Guaranteed credit approval is in full effect on this Ram, and we have tons to choose. DasCleveland.com.